Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing good and well as usual. I'm adding another video to my collection series today, and we're going to be starting with some indies. I'm going to be showing you my entire KB Shimmer collection. It does see bees knees, lacquers, and polish for days, but I am going to be showing you KB Shimmer because I do have quite a few KB Shimmers in my collection since they are my favorite indie brand and the brand that sparked my love for indie polishes. So we're going to be doing this in two parts. In the drawer are all the KB Shimmers that I've tried, and on a rack just on top of this Helmer here are KB Shimmers that I haven't tried. And then the row behind this one is my toppers and thermals. I do have some toppers and thermals from KB Shimmer as well, so I'll be showing you all that jazz. Let's just get into it. The very first one is called the Girl Is Tiki. This is missing a label because I had nail polish rack break once upon a time ago and I had to take it off. This is a beautiful pink, dark pink holographic. I wore this twice last year. Definitely one of my favorites from the brand. The hollow is prominent indoors and out in the sunlight. Next we have kind of a Big Dill, which is definitely a Christmas staple for me. It's such a beautiful piney evergreen Christmas gorgeous polish. It's so good. Here we have Peach for the Sky, which is a blogger collab that KB Shimmer did a couple years ago. So a blogger actually created this, and this is such a gorgeous sky blue color with a strong peachy glow. Beautiful polish. Next we have Flock This Way, which is another dark pink, and it has those micro flakes in there. Beautiful. Next we have Kiwi Real, which I have used quite a bit of. It is a really light green with that micro flake as well as that green shimmer. One of my mermaid picks, this is called The Tide Is Right, beautiful duochrome. Here we have Stay Toasty, my friends, and this looks like a sunset in a bottle. When there's pink and orange in a polish, I'm a sucker for it, and it has the additional micro flakes in there. Next we have Pretty Sure, which is a light turquoise flaky bomb. This actually looked quite good on me. I was surprised because turquoises don't really look that great on me, but something about these flakies made it look really nice. Next we have Spellcheck, one of my favorites from the brand. This came out in one of their Halloween/fall collections. This is opals in a bottle, and this matte is outstanding. One of my favorite reds, this is called Vicious Circles. That's from the nail polish break in all its glory. I am obsessed with this polish. I've featured a few times on my channel now, and this is another time. Definitely one of my favorite reds and one of the most unique polishes I have in my collection. We're looking at Livin the Hygge life, and this is a beautiful transitional polish from summer to fall. This looks like a serpent on your nails. That gorgeous fiery reddish orange glow against that green base. This just has so many shifts in it, and it's definitely a polish that is not talked about enough. We're taking a look at Soul Blue, which is a dark and an ocean blue, and it has those gorgeous crystallized flakies in there. KB Shimmer does these flakies quite well. Next we have Anything Is Popsicle. Same flakies that are in Soul Blue, except against a corally peachy red base. I bought this for the name and I love it on my nails. Not a polish that I would have originally bought, but I do like it. One of my all-time favorite greens, this is called Olive or Twist. Another one without the label. Ugh, so annoying. Luckily I remember these names. This is a beautiful olive green with those micro flecks. Oh, one of my favorites for fall. So good. Better Late Than Never. Definitely another favorite blue. This in the sun is glorious. Can't see anything more. Those micro flecks in there against that deep blue base. So nice. Next we have Shady Beaches. I love that name. And this one has that micro fleck in there, and this is more of a peachy base, not too corally, but this looks great on the nails. I feel like this would suit a lot of skin tones. A glitter bomb that I try to bring out for every New Year's. This is called Hexy Bikini, and yeah, just a multicolored glitter bomb. This just glistens in the bottle, and imagine what it'll do in the sun. Next we have Shipwreck, and this is the polish that ignited my love for this brand. It's a jelly sandwich in a bottle. It builds up to this beautiful pond effect, and I love the name because it fits it so well. It looks like a beaming submarine under the ocean. Ooh, this one is so good. I haven't worn this in a long time, so I need to pull this out again soon. In autumn, Flaky Bomb. This is called Eyes on the Pies. Definitely looks like a huckleberry pie with those shifts in that, with those flakies. Oh my goodness. This took about 3 coats to build up in, but the formula was a bit thick, but I did manage to make it work. It's a really good polish. We have Nightbright, which is in a black base with all that holographic glitter in there and a little bit of linear hollow too. This one's called I Got a Crush on Blue. It is similar to Shipwreck, but the glitters in there are way more holographic and the base in there is more blue and not as teal. I haven't tried this yet, but this looks like sea glass you would find on a beach, so it's giving me mermaid vibes as well. Next we have Free Fallin, which is a red flaky bomb. Looks like falling leaves from a tree on your nails, and this only builds up in 2 coats. Gorgeous polish, and one that I need to get out again. Haven't worn it in a little while. We have Coulda Had a Bad Witch, and which is the same flakies has in Soul Blue. I think of them as sister polishes, and this is the girl because she's purple. Or she can be anything she wants, you know. This one is so pretty. I absolutely love it. Tried it for Halloween last year and it's staying. I'm not looking back. Bittersweet Symphony. One of the more unique shades from the brand. This is in a taupe base with that beautiful red shimmer and with those red glitters in there as well. Tried this for fall last year and I loved it. Definitely looking forward to getting this on my nails again. And I think it's also pretty fitting for Halloween because of the red glitters. Prince Charming, one of my all-time favorite white crellies. You can see I've used quite a bit of this. This matte looks like a jawbreaker on your nails and I am here for it all the way. Next we have Bugs and Kisses, which came out in the same collection as Coulda Had a Bad Witch. This is in a black base with some red, orange, green, and yellow flakies with a little bit of silver glitter in there as well. So gorgeous. Love this. Love this. Next we have That's Taboo. This was a PPU polish and I believe the theme this month was board games, hence the name. Love this blue. I love blue with pink, so you know I had to get this, and there's a bit of green in there as well. Beautiful flip. We have the ever popular Baking Spirits Bright, typical Christmas cookie crelly. Oh, this one is just, there's not much to not love about this. It's beautiful. Next I have Take Me For Granite, which reminds me of rocks in snow in the winter time, which makes it a great winter polish. It's so beautiful. I love how those silver glitters in there are super beaming. It looks really good on the nails. Here we have I'll Be Chrome for Christmas. Another Christmas crelly, except this one is flakies instead of the glitters. Oh, I love this. Definitely one that I wear every Christmas. You always need some kind of winter Christmas crelly on your nails, and this one seriously delivers. And the very last one I have tried is called Band Geek. This is one of my favorite KB Shimmers. Oh, in that black base with those glitters ranging from kind of copper to yellow to silver to gold. Oh man. This is going on my Halloween rack, so I'm not going to harp on it too much, even though I just kind of did. But you will see this again. This is so good. Love this. The first thermal I'm going to show you is called Pool Shark. This is a tri-thermal. This is in its mid-tone color. It transitions from a light baby blue to a dark navy blue. So good. I haven't tried it yet, but it's really pretty. Next is Branchin Out, one of my favorite thermals from the brand. This has a cornflower hue to it that mixes so well with the turquoise finish. Barely Awake, which is a really nice thermal actually. This is in its kind of mid-tone color right now. It is not a tri-thermal, but it tries to do this dark magenta, and then in the magenta you can really see the flakies, and it turns into this kind of maroonish purple color. Love this. Where My Beach Is At, another thermal. This is such a gorgeous pink thermal. I haven't worn this in some time, and it still transitions so well. All my thermals are currently in my refrigerator right now because one of them died. I'm so sad. But it was my fault. I left it in a super hot room, and I usually don't do that, so that's why it died. But yeah, anyway, I love this one. Such a pretty thermal. This is the one that died. It is called Best Buds, and it's the one I left in the really hot room. I even tried to put it back in the fridge to see it would transition, and it is stuck in the warm state, but I'm loving this kind of, the green is coming out a bit more brighter on my camera, but the shimmer is pretty color accurate. But yeah, pretty sad this one died. I might purchase it again because I know why it died. I shouldn't have left it in a hot room, but that is that. Now we're moving on to the rack of untrieds. I'm going to try to make these color accurate as possible because the room I'm in just got a bit darker. But the first one I have here is called Cruise Control. I'm hoping to get this on my nails before the end of the summer. It is a beautiful blue polish with a gorgeous greenish yellow flip. Zoom with the View, which is similar to Soul Blue, but it's a bit lighter in the base, but same flakies. Why So Sirius? This is a gorgeous, like deep sea blue with some subtle microflex in it. I'm looking forward to that one. We have Kinda Shady, which is a really, really dark saturated midnight blue. Oh, the depth in here. I'm hoping it transpires to the nails. Lights Out, which I haven't fully tried on my nails yet. I just watched it on Finger for a video. But the shifts in here are so prominent and come out so well. Definitely reminds me of a campfire of some sort. Next we have Fruit Slices Yummy Yummy, which is a super popular one. It came back maybe last year or the year before for Rewind, but it's very pretty. Loving those flakies in there. Picture This, which I can't believe I haven't tried this yet because it is gorgeous. In the sun, it kind of has this green flip to it. There you go. Oh my gosh. So summery, and definitely I need to get this on ASAP. I have tried this one, but I didn't take a swatch picture because I didn't leave it on that long because it was super hard to work with. I heard that KB Shimmer has updated their formula with their reflective polishes, and I did see that with one that I purchased recently. So you're going to see that in a haul. But this one is called There's a Nap for That, and it is a magenta polish with silver reflective glitter. Next we have Mask Me Again. I need to try this one because I've talked about it so many times, and I love this pink shimmer against that swampy green yellowish chartreuse base. Next we have Sunkissed, which is a gorgeous yellow with an ethereal pink shimmer. Perfectly Suited, one I just picked up this year, and it is a gorgeous yellow with an even more gorgeous glow to it. One neutral that I do enjoy, this is called Cubicle Pusher. I say I enjoyed it, but I haven't tried it, but I do enjoy it in the bottle, and that's what I'm trying to say, I guess. Love this one. Now this is an OG KB Shimmer that I got in a D-stash. It's called No Wine Left. It actually came back in 2018 when KB Shimmer released a truly of their 8 most popular polishes, and this was one of them. Haven't tried it yet, but looking forward to it because I'm loving those blue glitters against that base. Next we have Dawn to Earth. And this is a indigo polish with a strong pink shimmer, kind of leaning towards orange as well. Before and After, one that came out in this year's spring collection. Oh, there's just so much goodness in here. Where do I start? From that deep, like spacey purple to the strong pink shimmer with the microflakes. Yep, this is a winner. Gonna be a winner, I'm assuming. So much fun. Recently hauled this. It's definitely going on my winter rack. Every Day I'm Shoveling, an untried. Mermaid in the Shade. I kind of forgot about this polish. I remember purchasing it and thinking it was so pretty. I definitely have to get this on my nails soon. It's very fall. Hidden Potential, which is similar to Mermaid in the Shade. I haven't got this one on my nails yet, but it was a really popular one. I've heard mixed reviews about this one. Either people like it or they don't, or think it was too hyped up. But I don't know yet. We'll have to see when I try it. But comparing it to Mermaid in the Shade, there's more of a purple flip in Hidden Potential. There's more of a green flip in Mermaid in the Shade. But they're both unique polishes, so I wonder which one I'm going to like better. Or if I'll just like them equally the same. And last but not least, I have 4 KB Shimmer toppers. And the first one is called Take It or Leave It. One of my favorite toppers in my collection. In the bottle, this looks very similar to Free Fallin, but it's in a clear base, which means it can be put over multiple different colors to get a different effect, and depending on what polish you put it over, you're going to see different shifts in the flakes. So this one is pretty cool. Raking It In, because I thought it was so similar to Essie's famous Shine of the Times, and this one is definitely more sparse because it's in a clear base, has Shine of the Times in a milky base. Clown Puke, one of my favorite named bulges in my collection. It fits the name so well. I mean, I don't really want to imagine clowns puking, but I do like this on my nails. And we have a magnetic topper. This is called Love at Frost Sight. And honestly, one of the most versatile toppers from them, I think, because depending on what polish you put this over, it's going to give a silver line through it. And I think it's really fun for some nice winter looks. So really cool topper, and I definitely had to have it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching, that was it for this video. Let me know what you thought of this collection and what KB Shimmers are your absolute favorites that I might be missing out on. Thanks so much for watching to the end if you did, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Take care of yourselves.